Oh, I'm not making this awkward. I'm just staring at you.
It's already, but you're a YouTuber, so you already know. Oh! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, ThatChocolateVegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making vegan teriyaki pineapple bowls. Let's get started. Alright, stove is on medium. We're gonna go ahead and make our rice. Today I'm using cauliflower rice because Skinny Legend. I'm gonna put some sesame oil in the pan, along with a little bit of ginger. I would say that's about a teaspoon. About a third cup of onion. Go ahead and add in our rice. You're gonna mix all this together. Yep, rice is fine, it's okay. I bought 2 bags just in case it's not enough to fill up both of my pineapple bowls. So no worries if you guys like this look a little sparse. If you think it's too little. Now I'm gonna add in my bag of stir-fry vegetables. Yep, pan too small, but it's okay. It's all right. I'm gonna add a little bit more sesame oil. Of course, we gotta hit with the soy sauce. Be on. They ain't gonna eat it if it don't have the sauce on it, okay? Just be generous. Help yourself. Y'all, my wok right here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so mad at my whole self. I'm about to transfer. Nope. Alright, a little bit more soy sauce so they can see it. They know it's there. Okay. I'll let that sit for 2 seconds with a... Be right back. Hey y'all, voiceover Erin here. My friend was over while I was cooking and I just could not save this audio. We were keying the whole video. Anyway, sorry, let me get to the topic. Sesame oil in my cast iron. Take your jackfruit and you're gonna rinse and drain it. Stick it in your cast iron pan or whatever your pan you're using and just rub it all into the oil. Make sure it's all coated. I left this in the oven for about 15 minutes on 350 and then I took it out, got my potato masher, and you would shred it as if you were making, you know, a pulled chicken recipe of some sort. That's it. That's all I did so far. All right, for our other meat, we're gonna use Gardein homestyle beefless tips. Again, because we're making this Asian, we're gonna add some sesame oil. All right, this needs to be a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, but your girl is out. I had no clue. So pretend. 1/2 teaspoon ginger. 1/2 tablespoon of garlic. 1/2 cup teriyaki. This is 1 tablespoon cornstarch mixed with 3 tablespoons of water to get my sauce to thicken. Now let's add in 1 tablespoon brown sugar. And let's mix. Oh, see, she's already thick. She is already thick. This is not gonna be enough sauce to sauce both the Gardein and the jackfruit. So like I said, I will add some more teriyaki sauce to it. Let's do a 1/2 cup of water and another 1/4 cup of teriyaki sauce. For the Gardein, I've already cut off the stove. It is thoroughly cooked through. And so they are ready to be sauced whenever we are. Checking back in on our rice. Don't you love you can use the same fork because it's vegan? Yes, no cross-contamination. All right, guys, I'm gonna give this a little bit more taste to see if we need anything because I don't think I added salt and pepper. In fact, I guarantee you I didn't. So let's see how far off that is. Yeah, that's gonna need some salt, people. It's not that far off though. Little salt, go around. And I'm gonna hit it with a little garlic powder too. I'm gonna hit that. That's what he said. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about it. A little garlic powder there. And a little pepper. I burnt my mouth, but that's good. Woo! Cut the stove off. We're done with her. We're done. You're done. I'm also gonna go ahead and cut the sauce off so we can go ahead and start thickening. Okay guys, the part I'm most nervous for. We're gonna make a bowl with this pineapple. Only bought one. Only bought one. Okay, that's good, easy. This part, okay, turn you around. Where'd my cut go? Okay. Okay, now this is the part we're nervous about, y'all. Here we go. Do it, do it, do it.
Yes.
Yeah! Yes, queen! Yeah.
We did it! Okay.
Now we got to gut her. That sounds so rude. Okay, so I saw somebody do this. They said you make a line, a line, a line, and you go around. I just made another line, I realized that. Okay. Basically where your bowl's gonna be. Okay. Then you're supposed to cut down the center. And then you scoop her out. All right, and then we're gonna gut her out. If this works correctly. It's not. She is not coming out. Oh, okay. All right. I'm gonna fast forward this struggle, y'all. Y'all don't have to see all this. We're gonna fast forward now. Whew. Okay, we got one done. I'm gonna do this one off camera unless I do it better. Y'all hear me out of breath? I had to use all my whole muscle. Ooh. All right, we have both our pineapples gutted out. It's not pretty, but it's okay. We're gonna fill her up with things. All right, we're gonna put our rice in. Yes. Okay, let me not fill this up too much because we got toppings coming. We do. All right, guys, I got the jackfruit in one bowl and our Gardein in another one. Let's pour over some sauce. Oh yes. Drown. That's not okay. Okay, let's not do too much because it's salty. Just that's it. That's all you're getting. All right, and this one I'm gonna do the Gardein, and the other one I'll do the jackfruit. So I guess this would be like a what? A pulled chicken versus a beefy teriyaki bowl? I don't know. Okay, so they look cute right now, y'all. But bam! Hit them with the sesame seed. Hit them with the sesame seed. Oh, oh! Look, listen. Listen.
Smells good.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad. You gotta introduce yourself first. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Guys, this is.
What's up, guys? My name is Sharon. This is Share My Life Online. Yeah.
Yes,
Sharon from Share My Life Online. I'm really just here kind of on an exclusive trip to Atlanta.
Yeah, tell them where you came from.
They don't need to know that?
They do.
They
It's exclusive.
like my hometown? Idaho?
No. Oh my gosh, you just came from overseas.
Oh, I just came from South Korea.
All right, we're here. We're on it. We're onto it. She has the jackfruit.
It's good.
Ooh, the pineapple juice on the rice from the bowl.
You did it?
No, I'm saying the fact that it touched. Like my rice is infused with the pineapple on the bottom.
She allergic to pineapple.
Or it's not important.
It is important.
Cause I'm paying Sally Mae. I don't have time for lawsuits.
I'm the guest. I came all the way from Korea.
I got.
Straight from the plane to her house.
I'm over it. Whatever. All right, let me try this jackfruit. Oh yeah. I think now aesthetically the Gardein looks better, but this jackfruit still salty, so I wouldn't. Don't eat this alone. You need the rice. You need the rice. We over here just chowing down. That's how you know something though.
I like the jackfruit more.
I do too.
Yeah.
I do too.
Just because of the mock meat texture being kind of like
yeah, it's a little
soy meaty.
Facts. Facts. And if you can get the little, you know, without being allergic, little pineapple on there.
I'm paying Sally Mae, Navy, and every month.
Make this. I think it'll also be bomb. We were talking on camera about seitan being the mock meat because you can make that a little tougher than the Gardein. Like I said, Gardein's not bad, but if I had a choice, just yeah, stick with the jackfruit or yeah. Future reference, I'm definitely gonna try this with some seitan chunks. Ew, that sounds disgusting, but ooh, do the food dance, yeah.
That's when you know food good.
Yeah.
That shit bomb.
Boop.
Oh. I want to get her demonetized.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.